Hello everyone, let us learn Excel. This is the icon of the Microsoft Excel. We call Excel. E-X-C-E-L. Excel. When you click on that icon, you found this Excel screen. This is Excel screen. Let us understand in detail. This one, spreadsheet. Here you can see a spreadsheet looks like a grid on the screen. This one is the grid. So this is spreadsheet. This one, cell. Each box is a cell. You can see different boxes are there. So each box is a cell. Rectangular box is a cell. And here letters. So A, B, C, all letters we call columns. And numbers, you can see on the left side numbers. Numbers are rows. Now click on the B2 cell. So cell B2 is selected. Here this B is the column name and this one 2 is the row. So B2 is the name of the cell. We call this as a cell name or cell reference or name of the cell. When we click on any cell, you found this mouse pointer. This is mouse and here this one is the mouse pointer. You will find in Excel this plus sign like this type of mouse pointer. Now when you type any word, that is called label. A label is a word or a small number of words. This one toys is a label. Now values. Numbers in a spreadsheets are called values. You can see when you click on B1, type the number of toys. Here, like if we enter B2, click on B2, then number you type, this is called values. Here we click on cell and write 2. This is called values. When we enter all these data, ball 1, doll 3, game 6, animal 2. If we want to change the number, that is called edit. Edit means to make changes to a file. We can edit the name of the animal also. Like in place of animal, we can write toy, we can write pen, any other thing we can write. So, this is called edit. Edit means to make changes to a file. Click on a cell to select it and then type in a new label or value. Thanks for watching.